We love leveling up your sandwich game here on Hot for Food, and so far on the epic summer sandwich series, we've done a vegan lobster roll, a vegan muffalata, and today it's a grilled vegan cubano. We're going to use the Saved by Seitan recipe from the Hot for Food cookbook, and we're also going to transform hearts of palm into the spiced vegan roast pork for stuffing in this Sammy. So let's get her done. First, take the drained hearts of palm and using your hands, pull them into thin pieces or shreds that are about 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch thick, and then add liquid smoke, apple cider vinegar, tamari or soy sauce, brown sugar, granulated garlic powder, chili flakes, smoked paprika, and sea salt, and then toss to coat all of the pieces evenly. Heat up a cast iron pan over medium heat and add some vegetable oil and all of the hearts of palm mixture. You're going to pan fry this for about 8 to 10 minutes until it's slightly charred in places and totally warmed through. Then you can set this aside. Now take the Hot for Food Saved by Seitan loaf and slice it as thin as you can get it on a mandolin or use a very sharp knife. To assemble your vegan cubano, you're going to spread 1 tablespoon of vegan mayonnaise on the bottom of your French roll, then add slices of seitan, the vegan roast palm pork, pickle slices, 2 or 3 slices of vegan Swiss cheese, and finish with some yellow mustard. Now it's time to hit the grill. Put about 1 teaspoon of vegan butter in a cast iron grill pan set over medium-high heat. Place 2 rolls onto the grill pan and weigh down the top. Grill for 3 to 4 minutes on each side until the tops have a golden brown finish and the cheese is really melted. Add more butter when flipping the sandwiches and turn down the heat slightly if needed. Repeat this for the remaining sandwiches. There you have it. Hot, toasty, vegan cubano sandwiches, guys. If you make this stacked sandwich, please share it on social so I can see the food porn. Tag @HotForFood or #HotForFood and I'll try to reshare on my feed. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see y'all next week. I'm Lauren from Hot for Food and keep on watching my channel. I have linked some videos here and here. Just keep on binge watching. Also, you can follow me on social media @HotForFood, @LaurenToyota, and of course subscribe because I'm here with brand new recipes every Wednesday.